What's up guys, it's the Food Geek again, and today I decided to try something different. I actually was sitting back and just thinking of the good old days and what I used to eat. So an all-time favorite came back to me, and it's actually called Bull Brand. It's corned beef, and this was back in school. I used to make it like almost every second day or third day after school, and it was actually very good. I'm going to show you how I make it, and let's get cooking. Okay, so my corned beef is cooked in a nice hot chutney. So now it's time to eat. Let's get eating. Oh, this looks good, and it brings back so much of memories. Okay guys, well, it's actually cooked, and it actually smells so good, and it's bringing back so much of memories. So let's get digging in. On a note, you've got to have it with white bread and butter, but I didn't have white bread, so I decided to get brown bread, which was ready in my cupboard. So I'm just gonna have it with brown bread. Okay, let's give it a try. It's nice and spicy, and it's so soft. The flavor is packed in with the corned beef and the chutney and the chili. Let's have another one. Nice big bite. If you actually look at that chili and the corned beef on the bread, this is good. And I used to actually make this quite a lot back in school, and I I'm not sure how other people make it, but this is actually my own recipe, which is actually pretty good. Another nice big bite. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you come across this at your local grocer, buy it, give it a try, comment on my video, tell me how it is, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and for more upcoming content. Cheers.